student of Universal Public School. Today I am telling about the chapter microorganism. Firstly, we know that what is microorganism. A tiny organism that cannot see our naked eye is called microorganism. And how can see microorganism? A microorganism can see help of microscope. And this is a figure of microscope. Here is the ice pick and second in microscope. Firstly, we make a slide. So how can make a slide? Take a entry slide and we think that see microscope. We rest here and 1 to 4 drops of glycerin and again take a cover slip that and again adjust rough adjustment and can see a microorganism. How many types of microorganisms? There are 5 types of microorganism: bacteria, fungi, alga, protozoa, virus. And this is a structure of bacterial cell. So firstly with capsule, second with cell wall, third is flagella, outer membrane, aterpil, 705 lysosome, cytoplasmic membrane, plastid, and there are 26 pair of cytoplasm in cell. And again we can see this is a alga. You can see our pond and many types of places, just like our house where water flow regularly. Where is alga present? Alga, Hindi meaning of alga is kite. Just like many types of ponds, alga float in water. And again this is fungi. Fungi is known as a fungus. Just like mushroom and many types of places, the fungi grow and fungi grow our skin, just like wrinkles where fungi grow. And fungi grow in onion. Firstly, that onion top is black. Here is microscopic image of fungal onion. And what is yeast? It is cause of fermentation. Just like how to make wine. Wine make to fermentation. And how to make bread dough. Bread dough can be stay overnight and then bread dough is prepared. So it is work is yeast. And this is a yeast cell. Or firstly, this is a virus. Virus is a tiny organism that cannot see our naked eyes because virus is very tiny organism. He is not non-living, but he can infect our body. Then virus can be virus can be living. And this is very types of, this is tobacco mosquito virus. Understood?
Hello everyone, this is Pawan from class 8. I am a student of Universal Public School. Today I am telling about the impact of social media on a teenager. So the firstly, social media on a teenager in some cases is very dangerous, but in some cases he provide very benefit. Just like you study in the YouTubes and PW Batch, etc. So it is a major sources of social media and you can study them. So you provide a very good benefit. You can spend your money on the offline coaching. So around 30,000 in per year. But you can spend in the social media. So you can study in all years and very expensive money. So it is very good benefit. And you have also know that the most popular social media app is TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, WhatsApp, etc. and the teenager is also more active in these apps, and around 3 to 5 hours it is active in the mobile. And you have also known that the mobile through the UV light, and our eye is very damaged. So many teenagers eye is very damaged in childhood. So it is very bad. But in the case of you are studying only purpose, so it is very benefit. And you have also known that 90% teenagers are only used only on enjoyment. It is not study with the help of social media. And I think I am one subscriber. His name is Abdul. It made the content is social media, where is missing, how many person are missing. So it is made a one short. So one person see this one, and he contact the active channel subscriber. So it is also join this family, and the girl is go to our home in around 5 years. So it is very good benefit social media. You have also known that our government is very bad, and it is not working in any roads, etc. So you can make a video to this topic. So the government is government is work them. So it is very good benefit for the social media. So you are make only for study purpose. So it is provide good benefit. But you are study on, but you are only use the only use the for on enjoyment. So it is very dangerous. So thank you.
चले बोलो।
Hello everyone, my name is Anjali Singh. I read in class 7 from Universal Public School, Bambar, Mirzapur. I am explaining the topic of my favorite teacher. My favorite teacher name is Raj sir. He is very good teacher, and he is an anchor of our school. His anchoring is very well. His behavior with the student is very good at this time to explain the topic and lesson chapter. So he support the student for all types of problem, as so as just a student not understand the topic chapter. So he explained the topic very well. The Raj sir is a good teacher at me, at the student, and the student get good marks in his exam because the student understand what the sir is teaching, studying, and speak about the chapter. And
Hello everyone, my name is Rishi Pandey. I am the student of class 8 from the School of Universal Public School. Today my topic is cricket. So cricket is my favorite game. It is I love to watching cricket and playing the cricket. It is because it is full of enjoyment, excitement, and skill and teamwork. If there any mistake by any team member of any team, it is enough to lose the match. And my favorite team is India. India play first match against England at Lord in 1932. All thought India lost the match, but after the time, the India is listed in most successful team in the world. He won many trophies like Champions Trophy, ODI World Cup, and T20I World Cup many times. And the most successful captain is MS Dhoni. And my favorite cricketer name is Virat Kohli. He is greatest batsman in the world. He make 51 century in ODI, and he is the greatest of all time.
Good morning everyone. Today I am going to telling about one person who is the greatest mathematician the world ever seen. He found many formulas, such 3900 formulas approximately. He found many patterns, and just like and many theorems. His biggest discoveries is prime numbers and finding the new way of infinity series and the value of pi. Yes, I am not talking about Ramanujan. Before starting my speech, I want to tell my introduction. So, my name is Vipul Singh. I am studying class 8. Today, I am going to telling about Ramanujan. The Ramanujan was born in 1887 in 22 December 1887 in Erode, Tamil Nadu in India. His father name is I.K. Srinivasa Iyengar. He is a clerk in a cloth shop. His mother name is Kamlamal. She sang song in temple. His family poor but full from love and faith. Ramanujan's childhood is spent on only solving sums because of he loved math very much. He solved sum and finding new formulas. He never liked any subject except math, so he failed in the exam, but he never stopped their learning. But he believed very much on goddess Namagiri because he think he gave he gave ideas in the dream and also helped him. But Ramanujan's life one turning point exists. In 1913, he sent some letters to G.H. Hardy, consist formulas and theorems. When G.H. Hardy seen, he was impressed how a backward village boy do that. So he invited in England. Ramanujan faced many problems, but still he went in England, but he lived in 5 years. But England cold weather and food made Ramanujan very sick, so he come India in 1990, but he was very sick in the last day. But still, in their last day of life, he is solving the problem, and he died in 1920 in just a year 32. His legacy is continue. His notebook formulas big scientists prove today, but he failed because Ramanujan only gave formulas, not prove them. And mathematicians say him the man who know infinity. So I am stop my words. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good morning everyone, this is Anamika from class 10 and today I am going to share a feedback about a student who has delivered today's topic. And first of all, I want to talk about Pawan's topic. He has delivered a topic with a good word, and it was a good his explanation, but he should be a confidence while explaining his topic, because person who is deliver or presenting their topic, so they should be a confidence, and they should be build their confidence, and also a complete word, make a complete word while talk with anyone or present. And second is Rishabh. He has also explained about the cricket topic. It was good, but he should be with a good posture, just like if we are standing, so we should be a good posture with while talking with or presenting their topic. Just like if we are standing, so we should be explain our topic with a hand posture. It would be good while talking with or presenting. And second, third one is Anjali. He has explained about Raj sir, and she has explained that Raj sir is her favorite teacher, and her explanation was good, and she has explained with a good correct grammar, and it was not any type of mistake on her words. And fourth one is Vipul. He has explained, and I think sometimes it seems like he has remember his topic, because if we are presenting or explaining our topic, so we should be with a good explanation, just like we are talking and we are explaining, then we should be we should be take a break while explaining, just like I'm explaining you. So we should be explain our topic with a slow words. And fifth one is Weber. He has explained about a microorganism, and it was a good explanation, because all of them, I don't want to demotivate anyone, but they should be improve their way, the way they have topic, they have explained their topic, just like they should be a good posture and build their confidence while talking. And they should be seen like they have not remembered, they are using their subconscious mind while explaining their topic. Thank you for this.
Good morning everyone, my name is Jani Patel and I am the student of class 10. Today I have joined the class in this time by Rasek, and I got some kind of magnificent and specialized class here, where I meet Anamika, who is commonly my sister because she is elder than me and always took care of me. My favorite teacher Rasek is also so great teacher in this class. Today I come earlier, so I joined this class, and I was asked to say something about this class, so I represent my thought and my expressions after joining the class. So about this class is going so good, and all the students are so good, especially Anjali, Anamika and Rishabh with Vaibhav and Pavan with Vipul. All of them are so good, and most of the excellent things I like that each and everyone has good kind of speaking skills with their listening skills. They are so understanding in and having so much meaningful thoughts with that. If they keep going on, then they will be having so good future in English speaking. With that, they can express their thought in foreign countries. So thanks.